Hello, Sam here from Order Systems, and I'd like to explain to you how you can become certified in Nice Home Management with Order Systems. Nice Home Management, previously known as Elan, has been the go-to choice for those who are new to control systems, or those who are looking to change their current control system provider. They're constantly innovating their platform and adding new features that aren't seen in other control systems to provide their end user with the best user experience. So if you want to know what Nice Home Management is all about, let me break down our certification steps to you, starting with step 1. Step 1 is your attendance to the live 2.5 hour introduction webinar. For the first hour, we cover the products on offer from Nice Home Management, such as system controllers, remote controls, touchscreens, and much more. For the rest of the session, we go through the Management Cloud, where you can get documentation and drivers and connect to your customers' sites. We then go through the configurator, where you as the installer build and configure a system. And then we look at the viewer, which is where your end user interacts with their control system. It's also very important to take notes during this session because there is a graded quiz at the end. Once you've completed the introduction webinar and you think that Nice Home Management is the control system for you, then you can move on to step 2 of our 5-step onboarding certification program. Step 2 is the purchase of your starter kit, which contains the minimum requirements to get a system up and running, ready to demonstrate to your customers. The kit contains a system controller, a handheld remote control, a touchscreen, and an IR learner. You are getting this starter kit at cost price, and additions can be made to it as well. You may want to change the remote control from the HR10 to the HR40. You may want to add an audio matrix. You may want to add an extra touchscreen to it. Whatever's going to suit your demo space so you can give the best experience to your potential customers. We will work with you to make sure that your starter kit is the correct specification for you. Once you've completed step 2, you can move on to step 3 and reserve your spot on the training course. This is where you also will apply for access to the Management Cloud, download any software, and also any documentation relevant to the training course. We'll send you all the information that you need to get step 3 completed. Once step 3 is completed, on to step 4, which is the 2-day hands-on certification training. This covers the fundamentals of building a working system, using system elements such as security, climate, media, video, and event mapping. This is all delivered by using hands-on, real-world exercises. After the first day, we take all the attendees for a complimentary meal at the Harrow in Bishopstone. Again, make sure that you take notes during the 2 days training, as there is a pass or fail assessment at the end of the second day. If you pass the assessment, congratulations, you can move on to step 5 of our 5-step onboarding program, and that is winning your first end user project. It's time for you to take what you've learned in the classroom and apply it to a real world install, but we do ask that first of all you build your demo space first. Everything you learn in the training course is in short-term memory, and it's now time to move it into your more longer-term memory by getting hands-on again with your starter kits. And when you are ready for your first real-world installation, fear not, we are on hand to help you every step of the way in terms of the specification, the design, and we can even help with the configuration as well if you require help from us. We do encourage you to try and configure your system as much as you can on your own. However, if you are really stuck and need assistance, just let us know. We're on the end of the phone to help you out to make sure that your first project is going to be a success. Once your first project is complete, take a backup, send it over to us, and we will take a look at the configuration and make sure it meets the certification requirements. And if your project does meet the certification requirements, congratulations, you are a certified Nice Home Management integrator, and your details will be placed on the Nice Home Management dealer locator for any potential customers to contact you with any job opportunities. The hands-on training course set out by Nice Home Management covers the fundamentals to building a real-world system. However, you may want to look at more advanced features such as voice control, facial recognition, advanced event mapping, and custom pages. Nice will be hosting their own set of advanced and expert training courses via their Nice University training platform. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure you check out our website for the latest training dates for Nice Home Management, or check via our training portal. Don't forget, we also offer training on Rayco, 2N, AV Pro Edge, and also networking fundamentals training too. And also, we are a certified basic and advanced KNX training centre as well.